When the other engines heard Doc was going to help them, they were pleased. Doc is very reliable, said Henry. It makes no difference to me, said Gordon pompously. I don't need a back engine. And he wished away. Edward enjoyed working with Stephanie. It was a great fun delivering passengers to stations in beautiful countryside. But Doug was not happy. The trucks were playing their silly games. Doug should play with other ducks because he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 hold back, they giggled. Doug found himself going slower and slower and slower. Halfway Gordon's Hill, his wheels stopped altogether. Doug was stuck. Oh no, said his driver. This is Gordon's line. Doug's guard phoned the signalman to warn him. It's too late to switch Gordon to middle line, said the signalman. You have to flag him down. Gordon saw the guard. If I stop on his hill, I'll never get started again, he said crossly. And he buffered up to Doug. Gordon tried to set off again, but his wheels spun and spun. It's no use. We need a back engine, said the driver. I'll send for Edward. Gordon was cross. Edward was excited. He was going to be a back engine for 2 trains. Edward cheerfully buffered up and the strange train set off. They chuffed gently into the station. Look at that, lover boy. The back engine must be the strongest and the best. Gordon was embarrassed. The Fat Controller spoke civilly to Gordon. You have said rude things about Edward, he said. He proved today that he's useful, reliable, and very helpful. Gordon felt very ashamed. The next morning, Gordon apologized. Thank you for helping me, Edward, puffed Gordon. You really are a useful engine. Oh, it's good to be back, Edward chuffed happily. The Fat Controller's plan had worked. There was no more talk about Edward retiring.